Hey there guys, my name is Marcus Tonelius, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can easily buy Bitcoin in Uruguay. So let's start. So what you want to do is just first click on the link down in the description, and if you're going to use the site with me, you're going to get free $10. You're invited to try Coinbase. First name, last name, you just add your email and everything. And then you're going to be in here in Coinbase. In Coinbase, what you can do is just simply then click a Bitcoin, and then you're going to see buy. And you just add here, I don't know, 1,000 euro, right? Buy Bitcoin, pay with. I'm going to scroll down a little bit so you can actually see. So 1,000 euro on the top right, buy Bitcoin, and then pay with your bank or wallet. This is like really up to you which you're going to choose. And then what you can do is what I recommend is adding the payment methods here. And it's a really simple process. You just add a first name, last name, email, password. And then what I want to show you is this. If you want to trade, you can go to Coinbase Pro. And now you can see multiple options how you can trade money. Buy Ethereum and also other cryptocurrencies. So this is pretty much how you can buy Bitcoin in Uruguay. And what is the best way how you can buy it. So thank you very much guys. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.